Struggling to manage pain and swelling after surgery or injury? Here are the 5 best cold therapy machines I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, the Gallinand Ice Machine for knee recovery, priced at $119.99. What caught my attention was its portable design and powerful water pump, making it a great option for those seeking effective pain management. If you want a reliable solution for post-surgery recovery, this is worth a serious look. This machine offers a complete setup, including a 5-foot hose and a collapsible ice bucket, which is super convenient. The Smart Loop timer allows you to customize your therapy sessions, while the Whisper Quiet performance ensures you can use it without disturbing anyone around you. With over 900 units sold last month, it seems like many are turning to it for relief. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto shutoff feature means you can sleep without worrying about whether the machine is still running. The 10-hour therapy duration is more than enough for all-day relief, especially after a knee replacement. Now, some people complained about the difficulty in connecting the hoses correctly, which can cause leaks if not done right. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it operates smoothly. It's great for those who want a dependable setup without fuss. This is perfect for you if you need something portable and effective for post-surgery recovery. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, because at this price, it's a bit on the higher end. But for a product offering hospital-grade therapy at home, it's worth it. Now, if the hose connection issue is something that worries you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the AeroBear Cold Therapy Machine, priced at $119.96. This caught my eye because it combines ice therapy with compression, which is a big plus for faster recovery. If you're serious about alleviating swelling and pain, this one deserves your attention. What's interesting here is the dual functionality. The 2-in-1 system not only circulates cold water, but also applies gentle compression, reducing swelling by 45% faster than standard methods. With a Whisper Quiet operation, you can use this machine at night without any noise disturbances, which is such a relief for nighttime recovery. Here's why this matters. The inline timer allows for uninterrupted cycles tailored to your needs, so you can set it and forget it. Plus, it offers a generous 15-hour cooling duration, making it perfect for long sessions post-injury or surgery. Already, 900 people bought this in the last month, indicating its popularity. Now, it's worth noting that some users mentioned the pod could be a bit bulky, which might be uncomfortable during longer sessions. But honestly, once it's on, the relief it provides far outweighs that minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable recovery tool that offers both cooling and compression. Skip it if you're looking for something extremely lightweight, as this one packs a bit more bulk. It's a solid investment for those focusing on effective recovery. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a programmable system. Product number 3, PhysioNatural Cold Therapy System. The PhysioNatural Cold Therapy System is next on our list at $129.99. What I really liked about this one is its focus on drug-free pain relief, which is crucial for those wanting to avoid medication. If you're looking for safe, effective pain management, this is worth considering. This machine is specifically designed for post-surgery recovery, helping to control pain naturally. It features a 9-quart reservoir and a digital panel for precise temperature monitoring, ensuring you get the right level of cold therapy. With over 300 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among those needing reliable relief. Here's why this matters for you. The cooling pad molds to your knee, providing targeted relief, while the quiet pump technology means you can use it anywhere without distraction. Plus, it's compact and portable, making it easy to move around the house or take with you. Now, some users mentioned the need for more detailed instructions on setup, which might be a bit frustrating at first. But I'll be real with you. Once you get it set up, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from surgery and want a drug-free pain management solution. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, user-friendly design right out of the box. For the benefits it offers, the price is quite reasonable. If you're looking for something with a solid design but need a more straightforward interface, the next one might catch your interest. Number 4 is Inmaretto Cold Therapy Machine, which costs just $99.99. What stood out to me is its smart programming that prevents overuse, making it user-friendly. If you want an affordable option that still offers good features, this might be your pick. The compact design is lightweight and easy to carry, which is perfect for those who need something portable. The ergonomic knee pad is designed for comfort and is equipped with 3 intensity settings, allowing you to customize your treatment. It's no surprise that over 200 units have been sold recently. Here's why this matters. The auto shutoff after 30 minutes prevents overuse, which is essential for safety. The 15-quart bucket ensures a continuous ice supply too, giving you uninterrupted therapy sessions that are crucial for recovery. However, some reviewers pointed out that it can be a bit tricky to position the knee pad correctly, which might take some practice. But honestly, once you figure that out, it provides excellent relief. This is great for you if you need an affordable, customizable therapy option. Skip it if you prefer a more advanced system with more features. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if you want the ultimate cold therapy experience with more features, the last product might just blow you away. Product number 5, Polar Active Ice 3.0. Last but certainly not least is the Polar Active Ice 3.0. Priced at $219.99. What really impressed me about this machine is its programmable timer, allowing for tailored therapy sessions. If you're looking for a high-end option for serious recovery needs, this is a fantastic choice. This machine boasts an adjustable on-off cycle feature, letting you customize your treatment according to medical advice. Its 9-quart insulated cooler ensures you have extended cold therapy without constant refills, which is great for those long healing sessions. It's made in the USA, which adds to its appeal, with a strong focus on quality and customer service. Here's why this matters. The ability to control cold therapy flow makes it suitable for anyone recovering from surgery or dealing with chronic pain. Plus, the quiet pump operation means you won't have to worry about noise interrupting your recovery time. Now, some users have mentioned it's on the pricier side, which can be a deal breaker for some. But here's the thing, the quality and effectiveness you get with this machine may justify the investment if you need consistent pain relief. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, effective therapy machine that can cater to various needs. Skip it if you're on a tight budget, as this one does come at a premium price. But for those serious about recovery, it's worth it. To wrap things up, we covered the Gallanend, AeroBear, PhysioNatural, Inmaretto, and Polar Active Ice machines. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Polar Active Ice 3.0 because of its customizable features and extended therapy capability. I'd recommend avoiding the Inmaretto if you're looking for more advanced functionalities, as it feels simpler. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.